Big day here. In this box is a new smartwatch. Not only is it a new smartwatch, but I am particularly excited because it's a stylish smartwatch. It is not just one of those generic square things. So I am very excited about it. So I'm not going to make you wait anymore. Let's open it up, take a look at it. I'll talk to you about some of its features, and then I'll use it for about a week or so, come back and let you know what it's like in real life other than looking nice. I do have to say this was provided to me to do this review, but with absolutely no instructions. They just said, hey, why don't you give this a shot? Let the people know what you think. So that's what we're doing right here, right now. So, okay, let's start with this. Check this out. Look at the size of this. You know how modern watches are big and like kind of cool looking and that kind of stuff? This is a nice size. It's a little over 1.5 inches round. With that big screen, it's got 360 by 360 DPI resolution, so it should be a nice crisp looking image on there. Let's take the protective cover off there. Ooh, looks so good. I'm excited about this. Let's see what else we have in here. This thing does everything right. It watches your steps you take, your activity amount, it monitors your sleep, monitors your O2 level, all those things. It's pre-programmed with over 100 sports, so it knows all that kind of stuff. A great app, which obviously matches up with both Apple and Android. We got a charger. We got another charger. Why do we have two chargers? Not sure. We have two chargers. We have the cool orange watch band. Let's put it on so we can see what it looks like after all my chit chat about how it looks cool. So once you put it in there, you just fold this over, right? And it folds in flush with the band so you don't have to worry about accidentally releasing it. Whew. I think this looks ridiculously cool. How cool is that? I think that looks awesome. It feels really comfortable, and I do like the size. The size was a big thing for me. So I think there's only one thing left to do. Let me crank it up, use it for a week, and then I'll come back. I'll let you know what the experience was like. All right, here we are. It's been about a week that I've been wearing this, and I have to say, I am absolutely thrilled. As we discussed, it has pretty much all of the functionality you would want out of a smartwatch, but I think it has the added value of this giant bezel and great looking screen. I can't tell you how many people have actually said, what a cool watch, tell me about it. And I'm a big fan of watches, right? And I wear all kinds of funky watches. So my friends tend to expect me to be wearing something different. And for them to notice this and bring it up and ask about it, I think that means a lot. The one thing that it doesn't do, which I kind of wish it would do, but a very select number of watches which do, is that EKG function. There's like a Fitbit, and then a couple of the Apple Watches do it, just because I personally like that function. But overall, it does 99% of all the functions that all the other smartwatches do. The faces are great, even the ones that come with it. You could buy additional cool faces. Anyway, I'm gonna give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I love this orange. It looks so cool. In any case, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.